welcome. This is Travel World Tony coming to you, and I have a special treat for you content creators. It's going to be your new best friend, I promise you. It's the DJI Neo. It was $199. You can't beat that. It's small, very small. Fits in the palm of my hand. It can also fit in your pocket. There's a little, oh, it's nice, 4K. And it's great. Once again, like I said, it's the DJI Neo. It's hard to find now. I've been looking on the website for another one. I haven't seen them, but others said that it pops in and out. So I guess it's limited stock. But I got mine maybe 6 months ago, and I've been testing it, and I love it so far. I love it. Like I said before, it's your new best friend. It's your cameraman. I'm gonna put it in follow mode. What that does is it'll start off and it'll follow you. Let it focus in on me.
2, 1.
Now I'm gonna just turn around and it's gonna follow me. You can also run, it'll follow. You see, it can catch up, then it should come right in front of me. Yes. We're gonna land. Okay. It can also go up and, you know, circle you and with the spotlight down on you, or the camera down on you like a spotlight. So right now I'm going to do the spotlight feature, which basically is going to back up. And right now it's on me. Also on this app, you can adjust the camera. So right now, the AI is tracking good. So, oh, I love this thing. So no matter which way you turn, this bad boy, it's gonna be focused in on you. And it's not using the phone. I just use the phone to start off. The phone is in my pocket, but it's the AI that's tracking. So look, what's up? DJI does it the best. Content creator's best friend. Yes, DJI, best friend. Like, subscribe, do it all. I have it right now set at the high. You can adjust it to however you want it, but I don't want it over this fence line because the privacy is homes all around me. But that's some of the amazing things it does. Let me see if I can switch modes in the middle of one mode. No, it won't let me. I'm going to stick out my arm, see if it comes to me. It's fighting that wind. It's fighting the wind. Normally on a nice day, you can stick out your hand and it'll come to you. But the wind is blowing it. All right, so let's see what else. Dang, I want to try this helix, but the wind is blowing. You know what? Let's try it.
2, 1.
Okay. That's the helix. So it went up, elevated, and then it's doing a 360. I'm just keeping my hand ready to load that sucker as the wind is blowing. So I wanted to return back to home. It was coming pretty fast. I thought it was gonna hit my head. Thank you everybody for checking this out. The DJI Neo. Bad, 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 bad in a good way. This is Travel World Tony coming to you, and I appreciate you watching. Please subscribe, show the love, and we're gonna fly out with this DJI Neo. Whew.